Okay, so all chapter 4. Yes, whatever we teach from chapter 4. You understand? Whatever we can finish in chapter 4 will be in the quiz. In the quiz means in the midterm, mid exams. What is when? Mid exam? You don't know when is mid exam? Your mid exam? I think the college inform you. No quiz, no quiz. I'm asking now. Quiz is after that. There is and 2 more quiz after the mid exam. So next week is your mid. Okay, mid exam. So okay, let's just start from the yesterday. We finished last class. We finished example 4.8. First, tell me the easiest way. What is the how can we find the vector of how can you find the vector of this force, this vector? Tell me. If someone can tell me. F is the here is given is a scalar. Okay, let's start RCD. Suppose it's DD. F is given scalar 300 Newton. All right. Now you tell me if you want to find the vector. Yes, everything you do it. Everything you can do it, but it's very easy if you want to find vector because it is working downward, right? Downward. So downward we put minus, and our 300 is value, right? Now here it is which direction? It is in z direction. So we put k, right? Because the force it has no component in I direction, so there is no I, or you can write down I equal to 0 into I, plus there is no component in z direction, so 0 into z, and it is in minus k direction. It is working in minus k direction and 300. So finally, very easy. It is minus 300k. But if you want to do the calculate by the all the procedure, you will find same result. Yesterday we did it, right? Yesterday we did it. F into FCD, F vector equal to F in F dot product UCD. If you do that way, still it will find the same result, right? You see that? You can do that. You can do that. Yesterday, last class we did it, right? Last class we did it. Like, what is the vector? What is the coordinate for A and what is coordinate for CD? Can you calculate? C and D, right? So C coordinate is how much? C is the x direction is 0.6. Yeah, so that is I have written there, right? That is I have written there. C is 0.6 and x direction C 0.6. X direction, y direction is 0 and z direction is 0.3, and D is x direction 0.6, x direction 0.6, z direction, y direction 0 and 0. So you will have here, if you want to do that, you will have 0.6 minus 0.6 6i plus 0j minus 0.3k, and here what is 0 and here 0 minus 3.3k square. So finally you will find minus 300k. So instead of doing those calculations, you can easily visually you can find it. Visually you can tell it. You can tell that this is 300 in k direction, so f vector is minus 300k, right? Now now what we told you last class, if you can find the your class note, if you keep your class note, then you notice that the question is f which tends to rotate to the rod, determine the moment produced by the force F which tends to rotate the rod with AB axis. So we have to do the AB axis, right? We have the AB axis. So moment AB equal to, we said any moment equal to force CD, force C, we just keep the name D or anything, force CD into the direction from the force, right? We assume RAC into RAC, another direction. So this is the force, this is the moment. Now if you want to find a specific x, we learn is if you a specific axis, then we just do the dot product on that axis with the unit vector, right? This one will give you just a moment, okay, at A. This one will give you moment, but when if you want to with some specific axis, then we have to multiply with the unit vector, right? UAV. Did we calculate UAV last class? Can you tell me? I think we calculated UAV. Can you tell me, please? Hello. .89, yes. Hussein, yes. So here is point, yeah, 0.89, 0.89. So I in the place of I we write 0.89, then 0.47, 0.44. Hussein wrote 0.44. So 0.44 would be, I think, correct one. 0.44 and J and K equal to 0, right? K equal to 0. Now RAC, can you calculate please RAC? RAC. So RAC equal to how much? Can you calculate please? AC, no, RAD, sorry, not AD, because we are doing the, sorry, some mistake there. We are doing the direction RAD. So RAD direction. RAD. Can you calculate please RAD? And F we found F equal to 0 minus 300k. 0.5. Hussein said 0.5. Why RAD 0.5? Let us see that A is 0 and our D coordinate is, we just calculate 0.6, 0 and 0, right? We calculate 0.6i. So we only have 0.6i. So R, write somewhere that RAD equal to vector R equal to 0.6i, right? Now 0.6i, see, we shouldn't write an I. We don't need I here. Okay. I and 0 and 0. So this is the determinant. Now you just write down. So one question is, look here, this is a determinant, and in this determinant we don't have any ijk, so actually it will give you us only magnitude, only scalar vector. It will give a magnitude. So tell me please, do the calculation and tell me please, what is the, sorry, here also no k, I wrote down k, is wrong. Here is also no k. Here also no k. The formula is, the formula we learned before, was this one, okay, r plus ikj. So, and this will give you just value, just only value, right? So here it will give you only magnitude. So please calculate the moment value, and then we'll calculate hopefully this will. 79.2, someone said 84.6. Please check it again. Plus 84.6. So 3 result wise, same problem, you check 3 result will come, right? You please do it again. 3 result. Abdullah Abdul Rahman, Abdullah Abdul Nasir, Abdullah bin Nasir 8.6. First you said minus 84.6. Now you're saying that plus 84.6. Please double check and tell me. Yes, after that, Kaman Ashraf, what is the result? 8900.4 into 6, and what is the result? Abdullah Abdul Nasir. How did you calculate 84.6?
Yes, Doctor. I took UAB by wrong. I took it 0.47. I didn't take it by 0.44.
That's the difference?
Yes, this is the difference.
Okay, 79.2. Okay, we accept 79.2. 0.44, I think, because we did 0.47, so 79.2 to Newton meter. Okay, whatever, you double check, right? It is 0.44 or 0.47, this one, right? Double check, but we are continuing with this result. So this is the Newton meter. 79.2 Newton meter is just magnitude, Remember, it's just magnitude. It is not the vector. It is not vector. Why not vector? vector because we don't have ijk in this determinant. Now f is to determine the moment produced by, so okay, so yes, I check, it is 0.44. okay, it is a 0.44. If it is 0.44, then we keep continuing. So our moment result is what then? Our moment is our moment with respect to AB. With respect to, we are applying force at CD, but with respect to AB, our moment is 79.2 Newton meter. Okay. Now, if you want to find the vector, vector of moment AB, that direction moment AB. So we learned before. What do we do? We learned before. We just multiply the unit vector with the magnitude. We multiply the unit vector. So we have the moment AB and only multiply by the unit vector. Then we will get the vector. So in 79.2 into what is unit vector? What AB unit vector? Unit vector AB was actually this one. This one is the unit AB vector, right? So 0.89I plus 0.44J, and that's it. And K is 0. Okay. So what is the unit vector? Please tell me. Write down. Do the calculation. Tell me, please. It's 74.88, 70.8. So result is both result is same, right? So Hussain Ali and the Kamal Ashraf, both you have done the same result. Okay. So 70.48 I 48 I plus 30 plus 34.8 J. Okay. All right. So this is our result. So in exam you have to do it both, right? If you ask them, so find the magnitude and then the vector. Okay. So this is the end of the answer. We got the answer. Now do you have any question so far? Tell me, please. Do you have any question? In this problem, do you have any question? If you don't have any question, okay, you can ask me question within this time. I will do another problem today. If we have time, still we have some time. Chapter 4, still we have some time. We will do the. We'll try to do another problem, right? We will try to do another problem. So we'll do one now from one exercise problem. Exercise problem one. So one exercise problem. Okay. Can you see the screen question? Can you see? Hello? Okay, before we start the next problem, I want to ask your name. I want to give you name call. First, Muhammad Habis.
Yes, there.
Muhammad Abdulaziz Mazen. Okay. Kumail Hussain. Kumail Hussain. Absent. Muhammad Abdulaziz. Muhammad Ahmad bin Abdul Rahman. Muhammad Yusuf bin Muhammad Sakar. Muhammad Yusuf. Muhammad Sami. Muhammad Sami Muhammad Sulaiman. Muhammad Abdullah Ibrahim. Ahmed Taher. Abdullah Muhammad. Abdullah Muhammad. Abdul Malik Khalid. Abdul Malik.
Yes.
Saleh bin Munir. Umar Abdul Aziz. Ali Abdul Munaim. Umar Abdul Aziz. Saleh bin Munir. Saleh bin Munir. Umar Abdul Aziz. Umar Abdul Aziz. Absent. Umar Abdul Aziz absent. Saleh bin Munir absent, right? Muhammad Ali bin Ahmad. Isa Abdullah bin Isa. Isa Abdullah. Yahya Abdullah. Muhammad Sami bin Ahmad. Muhanna Walid bin Muhanna. Tolal Jamal. Saud Usama. Hussain Ali. Faris Fahad. Abdul Hadi Jabir. Abdulillah Fahad. Ali Jawad. Hussain Abdullah. Ahmad Imad. Abdullah Sadun. Ahmad Dia. Muhammad Salah. Hussain Jawad. Ahmad Abdul Rahman. Ahmad Abdul Rahman. Faris Fadel. Abdullah Saleh. Saad Muhammad. Saad Muhammad. Abdullah Umar bin Muhammad. Abdul Munaim. Abdul Munaim Abdul Rahman. Abdul Munaim absent. Abdullah Saad bin Abdullah Abdul Rahman. Abdullah Saad bin Abdurrahman. Umar Wahid. Muhammad Shabir. Shamsan Saleh. Umar Ahmad bin Umar. Jamal Raed bin Jamal. Kamal Ashraf. Umar Usama. Umar Usama is not here. Abdul Rahman Abdul Nasir. Musa Muhammad Isa. Abdul Rahman Sabhi. Absent. Abdullah Said. Okay. So I want to double check now. Okay, the absent person. Tell me, Kumail Hussain, are you here? Kumail Hussain. Kumail absent. Saleh bin Munir. Saleh bin Munir absent. Umar Abdul Aziz. Not absent. Okay. Abdul Munaim Abdurrahman absent. Umar Usama absent. Umar Usama. And Abdurrahman Sabhi absent. Okay, so I confirm now. I'm sorry, Kamal Ashraf. Umar Usama, I'm sorry, I already put you absent. Kamal Ashraf, I give you present. Okay, I don't know, I cannot do anything now. I have called you maybe 3, 4, 5 times. Now we want to start the problem, right? What we are doing, we have 20-minute time. We will try to finish it here. What is saying that determine the moment produced by F. Here is the, can you see clearly the screen? Tell me please. Can you see the screen? Yes. So produced by force F. So F already vector as a vector is given, right? Minus 20I plus 10I. If it's not clear to you, I write down F looks not clear. So minus 20I plus 10J plus 15K, right? Plus 15K is equal to F. If about the segment, now find the moment about segment AB with respect to AB, right? With respect to AB. Now, with respect to AB, so AB of the pipe, express the result as a Cartesian vector. Now they find the same thing. They find, we did last time before. They want moment AB. So moment AB equal to first moment moment for the force in direction AB. So in that case, we have to multiply the moment with multiply the unit vector with AB. That we know already. That we have to do it. Cross vector into moment, into means cross product of moment. First into force and moment is R vector RAC, right? So this is the things we need to we have to calculate, right? So that is they have asked us to find the moment. So moment of the force. So moment of the force is this up to here, and they want to ask. They ask along this axis. So when we say on the axis, then we multiply with the unit vector. All right, multiply the unit vector. So understand the difference between the examples, right? Between the examples, the example we have done here, they ask only the what? They ask only the moment with respect to some point, In that case, we just did the moment r into f. If f was f1 and f2, then we did r1, r2, and f2, right? But another question you see there, right? But another question, they are asking the question, the moment find the about a specific axis, right? A specific axis. In that case, what we have to do, r cross f, we have to multiply the about the axis we want, the moment, right? So understand the difference, okay? Understand the difference. So here in this example, the example we selected, so they ask here about the axis. So in that means about the segment AB. In that means we have to multiply by the unit vector. So always remember this, okay? So if so, then we have to fill up this determinant, okay? Fill up a determinant. So in this determinant, we already have f vector. F is here, right? F, we can write down a straight away. 20, 10, and 15. 20, 10, and 15. Now we have to fill up these other blanks. So first blanks, then RAC. Okay, what is the RAC? What is RAC vector here in our cases? Can you calculate RAC? A coordinate. We need to know the coordinate of A and coordinate of C. Can you someone tell me what is the coordinate of C? This is 4 meter, this is 3 meter, and this is 4 meter. Can you someone tell me what is the coordinate for C? Please. Coordinate for C. I, J, and K. Tell me please coordinate for C. 3, 4, 4. Here x direction is 3. Someone said 4, 4, 3. Which one is correct? Hussain Jawad, you answered 2 answer, but the first was correct actually. So x direction is 3, y direction is 4, and z direction is 4. So 3, 4, 4. So here actually 3i plus 4j plus 4k. 3i plus 4j plus 4k. So r equal to, we write down here 3, 4, and 4. We have remaining, what we have remaining there? We have remaining now UAB. So calculate UAB somewhere. Calculate UAB. So UAB vector equal to so first RAB. UAB equal to what? RAB divided by RAB. Someone already told me answer. RAB, AB, right? So A already we have. So B coordinate is, tell me please, B, x equal to 3, y equal to 4, and z equal to 0. So someone tell me 340. Yes, you are correct. 340. 340. But okay, Kamal after said already he has given us answer is 3 by 5i plus 4 by 5j. Okay, 3 by 5i 4. So we can write down here 3 by 4 5i. So we don't need to write the I here, and 4 by 5, and here is 0. Okay, fine. You just calculate the determinant now and tell me the answer. Okay, then just wait. After 10 minutes. Okay, I'm in the class. All right. So what is the result? You got result MAB equal to 100J. MAB equal to 100J, right? Is that your result is correct? Who is saying the Abdul Rahman? Okay. Another answer. Please tell me another answer. Minus 88. Hussain Jawad minus 88. Kamal Ashraf minus 88. Hussain Jawad minus 88. Okay. So result is minus 88 minus 88 Newton meter. All right. Minus 88 Newton meter. Now MAV vector. Now remember, this is a MAB is a what? MAB is a just a magnitude, just magnitude. Now you have to find the vector. If you want to find the vector, we told you it's very easy. How to very easy? Multiply scalar multiplication to the unit vector with the magnitude. So MAB equal to minus 88 into UAB. So UAB equal to this is value, or we can find from here, right? So 3 by 5 I plus 4 by 5J, right? 3 by 5I plus 4 by 5J. Okay, tell me please, what is the result? Minus 52.8 I minus 70.4 plus here 70.4 J. Okay, Abdul Nasser. Okay, minus or plus here should be minus, right? Okay, this is the vector. This is the vector, right? This is the vector. Okay, clear? We got the answer. Everyone clear? Clear? Clear. Now there is another one more thing. There is one more thing. I tell you. We also did before. Here we have used R. This is the our here. Here we have used for moment. What we have used? AC, RAC. We have used RAC, and we have used RAC and a moment from A to C, right? A to C, and we are finding the vector from from the line AB, right? Now you will get same result if you assume the RBC. If you do the RBC, if you do the same, you will get the same result. You should get the same result if you do the RBC, right? So if you do the RBC, can you calculate what is the RBC here? If you write the here BC, what will be? You should get. We did it before, right? RBC. What is the RBC? Doctor, it is not perpendicular to F. Here is not no need to perpendicular to F. Yes, don't be confused. This is the, now we are doing something with vector, not this kind of thing, right? Not this kind of thing. Here for the vector we learned before. You go there. What we learned before? What we learned something. We learned something here. We learned something where? Here, you see? In the line of the action of the force, in the line of the, for vector, in the moment, for vector, if it is the line of action force, you want to find there. If you want to find this R same to this R to this R3, any R is same. R1, you see R1, into F, R2 into F, R3 into F, all are the same. Okay, so our rod is like this. Our rod was like this. Okay, so we are taking from moment here. It will give same result if you take RAC, if you take RAB, if you take suppose D, any distance you take, it will be, if you take the any sorry, in the line of the force, not here, line of force, any force like this you take, it should give us the same result. Okay, here it is not the 90 degree, nothing is 90 degree, right? Don't be confused, don't be confused. So force is applied any point A, force is applied any point, force is applied any point A, moment create MORF with this. The F has the properties of sliding vector. Okay, what is sliding vector? I wrote down there, sliding vector. Okay, this is called the sliding vector. So this is sliding vector. It is same, it is producing force here or in the force here, the same result, right? Slide along the F. So for the moment in that case, it is will be same result, should be same result. That's why I want to tell you, double check what happened if you put this RBC, if you put there RBC, double check, just do it and you find the same, you find. So BC equal to BC, what is the B, what is the B? B is here, B is here, C is here, right? So what we have, this will cancel out. If I want to do it, it will do it. If I do it, so what will happen? 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4, and 4 minus 0, 4 minus 0. So actually it is RBC equal to will be, RBC is only 4K. RBC equal to 4K. Now that means I equal to 0, J equal to 0, and equal to 4K. And you do the calculation and tell me what is the result. Tell me. Minus 88, right? Hussain Jawad, minus 88. Kamal Ashraf is saying okay. So all right. So you got the same result, right? You should get the same result. All right. Now your mid exam is up to this slide. All right. Yes, same result. Yes. I have 2 minute time now. I have 2 minute time. Not 2 minute time actually. So your mid exam syllabus up to this. Remember, what is the slide number? Can you know the slide number or whatever? Example, and then we did example and we did the kind of the exercise number. You keep remember the exercise number, right? So before this slide, don't forget your mid exam is up to this. Your mid exam up to this. Okay, before the moment, cup of moment. Next class we will discuss the moment of a couple. Okay, moment of a couple. So that before that your syllabus, right? What the syllabus number here? 3456 here. Don't forget, right? And do all the example, all the example, all the fundamentals. Okay, and practice problem I have given you. Practice problem, right? For your mid syllabus. Okay. Any question you have so far? Anyone has any question?
Doctor, what about chapter 1?
Sorry, what about the
Chapter 1, it will include in the exam?
Yes, 1 to 4.
Will be there any questions from chapter 1 or
Chapter
just
1, just the
concept?
concept, right? Just the concept. Actually, there is no question actually.
We have just to understand the concept. There will be
Yes,
no
yes,
questions
yes,
about
really, yes.
chapter 1.
Yes. Chapter 1.
Will be no questions about it, but we have to understand the concept.
Yes, yes. If you know chapter 1, if you know chapter 1 well, that means you know the chapter 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome.
How many questions will be in the exam, Doctor?
3 to 4. I haven't made question yet, but I think exam is 1 hour. Do you know the exact place and time?
Time it's from 5 to 6 p.m.
Look, it is confusing. Before that, before they said 4 to 5. Now they're saying 5 to 6. So it is your duty. You know the from notice know clearly what is the exam time, right? So you come after the 5 and you finish. You see the exam is finished. So be careful and see the correct time, okay? And place is CE auditorium, in the
Doctor, because
auditorium of the
in the schedule,
sorry.
in the schedule, the time of exam is from 5 to 6, but you tell us it's from 4 to 5.
Yes, I think previous email I got like this. That's why I send you. Okay, so
Okay, can
you
you
check it.
just you can check which time is it exactly and tell us.
Yes, I received before one email, and on that email it was written like 4 to 5. Then they change it and they write in 5 to 6. Okay, so I will send you another email confirming, but I tell you it is your duty that you know your exam time, right? Because you are giving the exam, not me.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Any other
Okay,
question?
Doctor,
Yes.
can you tell us about how many percent of the questions will be included in each chapter or something like that, or it will be from all chapter one
All
question?
chapter, I think three. I don't know, three or four. Three or four question. Okay.
Okay.
Three or four question. If it is three question, then obviously from each chapter one
What?
question, right?
Yeah, each chapter one question. Okay.
Yeah, if it is three
Or
question,
if
I haven't make it. I haven't planned it. I haven't made it because you have 1 hour exam, and it is not the online exam. In online exam, you have to take the picture and send the email. But here you don't need that, right? So I don't know three question. If it is three question. So chapter 2:1, chapter 3:1, chapter 4:1. If it is four
okay,
question, from somewhere I will put the one extra small question. I don't know. I haven't think yet. I hope it is
okay.
easy. I also hope it is easy. You do the good practice and you can do it. Okay. That's any question.
But what about the marks for quiz? Can I discuss with you about my mark or which time? Or I can come to your office?
You can come now. Right now, I'm in the office.
No, today I cannot come because I'm from Dammam.
Oh no, okay. When you come. If you can come college and you can talk to me, right?
I can come on Sunday, in which time you are available.
Yeah, you come after the class. Like I have the class in 10:30. Maybe before Zohor, you come to Sunday. Or
Okay.
what is your ID? Tell me.
217.
What is your ID? Or you send me WhatsApp.
2170.
Maybe if you send me the WhatsApp, then I will check your mark. I will check your paper, and maybe I can take picture and send you. Okay. Tell me 217.
Okay, I have my paper for the quiz. Okay, I will talk with you.
You send me email before, right?
No, I didn't send you email about the mark or about what?
Mark, about the mark.
No, I didn't
Doctor,
ask you before that.
about the mark, I sent it to you.
Okay. I will check. Who say? I think two students send me email. I will check there, and same time I'll send you the send you. So you can do. You can send me WhatsApp, or you can come to my office. My office is better. Maybe you can face to face in front of me. You can know the answer and you can discuss whatever. All right. So anytime you want to come before come Zuhur, or you make the appointment with me. What time?
Sunday, it's okay, Doctor. We come after the class.
Yes, you come. Yes, Sunday. Same come today now. Now before Zohar you can come. No problem. Today before Zohar. You want to come, Abdul Mohsin, Abdullah, Abdullah Muhammad? Where are you now? Are you nearby somewhere?